So do you see a future with your wife?
I did. At one point I thought,
hello guys, welcome to Channel Zim. Guys, yana nyaya yamkomana yemjaya Holiten achitaura nezvenyaya yake yene mukadzi wake. I think one of my issues avanawo kuti takatarisa pamberi apo togona zomboona vanhu varambana zvekuti chikomana chiri kuchema naKimberly. Hanzi Kimberly handinzwisise this and this. Anongofunga ndongowawata pasocial media zina nebaya. Hanzi anondoona kunge ndakashandukira hanzi anondoona kunge ndakashandukira, so iye haunderstande zvandiri, haunderstande kuti ndiye leader of the youth, the speaker of the truth. So chikomana chataura futi kuti aiwa china vakadzi vakawanda, hachina mukadzi wani, china vakadzi vakawanda. So haana hake kuzomenshena kuti ndivanaani vakadzi vacho, and haana kutaura kuti vakawanda sei, angotona ndiri vakadzi vakawanda. So tione vhidhiyo iri kutera motiudzawo zvamunofunga kuti chikomana ichichi naKimberly pachine zviripo here, kana kuti Kimberly angobaby mama, Kimberly pane zvanga angoteyawo, kana kuti Holitenwo pane zvanga akateya kuna Kimberly, kuronana kwawakaita nekuitisana nevana chichichi. Mondiudzawo zvamunofunga mucomment section, and then oyo.
So do you see a future with your wife?
I did. At one point I thought, I really thought Kimberly was going to be the calm to this storm. Yeah.
But it's not the case now.
She's not. I really did think that Kimberly was going to be a control to this fire. And at the end of the day, I was not until maybe to impress you. Not knowing what the leader of the youth and speak of the truth. So now I want to protect Kimberly to the level where I don't want to put her in a position where she pulls me back. Because I think I'm halted.
Iwo urudi umboita zvaari kudawo.
I've tried and I've shunned. Shorana Oriano Java complain I'm soon. Bagawaya studio. I've been January ways I never posted anything. I was quiet. I was trying to just be mono. I reserved and do all that Renato and now did. I shunned, bro. Like it's on the ball on and the couch I have to do.
Dear would suppose it.
Serious, but I tell her about how she doesn't like Monaka Jangandira. It's just that sort market maybe.
Like, or do you think in the next 5 years we'll be together?
With who?
You will be together.
With who?
With Kimberly.
I don't know. She'll probably be staying in one of my houses. I don't know, bro. Because
but not as your wife.
I have a lot of wives, bro.
How many?
And but I have a lot of wives.
How many kids do you have?
Kids. I have 2 kids.
Only 2. But many wives.
I have a lot of wives. A lot.
How many girlfriends do you have?
Girlfriend. I can't even categorize them as girlfriends because then you have a lecturer respect.
Okay. But do you have them?
I have a lot.
Jokomari.
No, but I'm actually very serious. And, I've never been able to come here and tell you.